Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own hugging AI video. So if you want to turn your photos into a trending hugging video, you can just follow my steps right here. You can just prepare your photos. You can prepare a photo with two person on it, or you can combine two photo into a collage photo side by side. And here you can just open your browser and then just type in AI hug video free, and then you'll see there will be lots of options that you can use the web. For example, I'm going to use this video aihug.com. Let's just use that. Tap on the web, and here you can just click on get started for free. So what you need to do is that you can enter the prompt or image to get your desired video. Then you can input the prompt. So for example, I'm going to just go with hugging, and here you can upload your photo, you and him, and here you can upload the photo you want. You can merge to image in here. So I'm going to find my photo, but then you need to log in first with your Google. So let's just log in first. You can tap on continue. Okay, so I've already logged in. Let's try again, and here find a photo. Okay, I'm going to, let's say, use this one right here. You can tap on the photo and tap on generate. Let's just wait until the hugging video is done. Apparently it's not free. Let's try find another one. Okay, so now I'm using this video maker.me/app. So you can just open it and then click on this from image. You can just import the motion prompt and then upload your image and then tap on generate. Now you can see my video is still generating. Let's just wait until it's done. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I don't know why it is failed, but this is basically the result of the AI hugging video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on the thanks button below, and support our channel by subscribing to this channel. So bye.